What is up, guys, and welcome back to the Hand Tight Racing YouTube channel. Gang's all here. We got the RX8 unloaded. We got the track set up. We got the Turbo E36 LS. That thing's cool. He's on one of my custom suspension setups. He likes it. He says that thing fucks. But Tyler's getting the Mustang off the trailer. We figured out what was wrong with his car. We installed the camber arms backwards on their side specific apparently now. So we fixed that last night, or Tyler fixed it last night. I didn't do shit. But gang's all here. I took the Mazda for a test drive last night, and it was working just fine. Well, I go to load it up on the trailer this morning, and the clutch pedal sticks to the floor. So I don't know how many laps we're gonna get out of this thing, but we put in all this work, so we're definitely gonna give it hell. So yeah, let's see how this goes, and stay tuned and find out. Like one of TK's last runs of the day. Basically after I stopped drifting or trying to drift the RX8, I just turned into his coach and I told him some things he needed to work on. He wasn't Manji initiating into the first outer, and I think that was kind of messing up his style, first of all. Then his momentum, it was slowing him down just e-brake initiating. You'll see that as the video goes on. So I just wanted to show like how much he progressed during just this one event with the new tools that we've put in this car. And then I've also got something to show you guys at the end of this video. Some of you might have guessed what it is by now. I mean, see in the box, but we'll show you what's in the box at the end of this thing. So yeah, we'll get into the RX8 drifting, which didn't really go so well. And yeah, we'll be back for the unveil of what's in the box. As you can see, I was really struggling with the car here. This being her maiden voyage and us getting the Phytech to hold a tune literally the day before, and then doing one lap around the block to see if it would self-learn, because that's how this ECM works. It self-learns, it self-adjusts. You can't really adjust anything in it. So you can see a lot of black smoke coming out of it. You can hear it breaking up, and it really didn't want to drift. I kept trying it simply because I thought that it might self-learn and clear up as the day went on. Some were better than others, but as you can see, that really didn't go that well. The car keeps breaking up. I'm not sure what's wrong with it. My tuner's not here. Called in sick, as per usual. But the car feels good when it runs properly, so that's cool. I feel like if the Phytech and self-learning system works and it starts to run better, we'll probably have a pretty good day. But we're gonna take a break and let it cool off, and we'll come back to it. So I've been trying to use the e-brake, and it's been working, but I keep forgetting to press the button or hold the button because I miss it or something. So I made a drift button. I didn't think that was gonna work out as nice as it did, but yeah, Not bad. Stated earlier in this video or later in this video that this E36 here was a LS turbo. I was actually very wrong about that, which is weird because I also set up the suspension on this car. He came by and got the Davey P sauce from BC Racing, so let me know if you need that. But I was standing in grid coaching Tyler, waiting for him to come back around, and him and Sasha, which is like his partner in crime, they ripped together. That's how I want me and Tyler to be eventually, when my car's back on the road, of course. I was standing there, and it's actually a small block Ford turbo. He said he's been running the NA setup for 3 years, and then he turboed it for the last year, running 14 PSI. So that's pretty sick to see a small block Ford in an E36, especially ripping around on basically my specs for the coilovers anyways. turned one decent lap. Then the power steering stopped working. Then the power steering started working. Then I took it out again, and then it broke up again. So definitely some kinks to work out on this thing. I wish more of my team was here to help diagnose the issues. I don't know shit about LS engines and LS management and what they're supposed to be doing, but we'll learn. I think we turned one decent lap, right? You got video of that one decent lap? You should have just seen that. So the car feels good. It's just not running very good, and I don't know what the problem is. So and the power steering's not working. So I think we're gonna wrap that up. But Tyler's still out there. He's about to go kill it. Just made him air down his tires way low. Like, dude, you need more grip. This thing needs to be faster. So he's about to go send it, and we'll see what he does. About to take. Oh shit!
In the paps, they're on the way out.
Got all the comfort creature
In
features.
the AC.
Yeah, I know. Let's see what he got. How you liking that Manji in? Yeah, you looking tight, looking good, looking good. Fire, my boy's out getting it right now. Riding around getting it. Now these boys are rowdy. Rowdy. got Tyler on the Zec Novas. He's never driven the S550 on the Zec Novas, so he's super hyped, and I guarantee he's about to fall in love with this tire all over again. Right here is about the time that I told TK to stop just pulling the e-brake for initiation and use his first to second gear shift as a clutch kick and manji into it, and then pull your e-brake just to slow you down, just to get you to angle, and then get back on it. We also started working on some things like after transition clutch kicks, which he got down. But here's him on his, I think this was his first time using the first to second gear shift as a clutch kick, and it looks a lot better than the previous videos that you saw from him. So as you can see, the car was a great deal better, faster on Zec Novas. He looked more comfortable, he had more grip. So I'm thinking he liked those. His initiations got better. He started clutch kicking after transition to get his wheel seat back up instantly instead of forcing the car to dig itself out of a hole, is what I like to refer to it as. So he did really good. I'm really proud of him, and I think that by the time my car is back running, we can get some real doors in the S550. That's ultimately how I want to be like those guys you saw in the white 240 and the black E36. They drove really good together all day. That's how I want me and Tyler to be. It's like a teammate thing. But now it's time to check out what's in the box. So let's go ahead and get this bad boy cut open. We'll just do one of those, and then one of those, and I guess another one of those, another one of those. Let's pull this thing off, see what's under here. Okay. Well, I didn't realize it was packaged this well. Kind of makes me not want to take it out, but I guess you can see a little sneak peek of what it is right there. I guess I'll have to spend some time wrapping this thing back up. So let's see what's in here. And the consensus is, that is a Gen 3 Coyote short block. And I'm actually really impressed because it came with the oil pump, which I did not expect. I'm pretty sure I still have to use my Gen 2, but that's cool. So yeah, block, rotating assembly, one step closer to having the Ortiz Performance S550 back on the road. So there you have it. That's our plan. Gen 3 short block. So that's what's in the box. Still a lot of pieces need to come together. But fortunately, we've partnered up with Lethal Performance, who's having Black Friday deals all month long in November from hundreds of different brands. I think they got like somewhere in the ballpark of like 300 brands that they're running sales for all month long in November. You can get anything you need there performance-wise for pretty much any performance vehicle. Mustangs, Challengers, Broncos, you name it, Chargers, whatever you want, they probably got it. That's where we picked up this short block. Super excited to be working with them in 2024, and I hope we can work with them for a long time to come. They're really cool people. As you saw, they let me drift their brand new S650. I was pretty sick of them. Like I said, still a lot of pieces got to come together before this thing runs, but that was the major component that we needed. We still need a head. We still need some timing components and some other stuff that we'll get into, but for now, the block will do. And yeah, we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing, and I hope you come back.